Greetings to all. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Myself Sanchita Sanand, a first year law student from Kolkata University and currently working as a legal intern at LEXIS and Company. So today my video is all about phishing, arrival of a disastrous Techdemic. With COVID-19 surmounting, there awaits something more. Now you might be wondering what it is. So let me just introduce you all to the new Techdemic, which is popularly known as phishing. Now along with this ceaseless time came advancement which has been appreciated and facilitated all around the world. But as they say, where there is a right, there is a wrong too. So most of you might be aware of this term phishing, and for those who are not, then I'm sure this video will help you all. So as this issue is a serious one, so everyone needs to have a better understanding about this heinous crime in order to protect our own selves. Phishing, also known as brand spoofing, is the attempt to acquire sensitive information such as usernames, passwords and credit card details, and sometimes indirectly money, often for malicious reasons, by masquerading as a trustworthy entity in an electronic communication. Now, what are the major factors that have led to the increase in phishing attacks? There are three major factors behind the recent spurt in phishing attacks worldwide, particularly in India. First of all is unawareness among public. Worldwide, particularly in India, there has been lack of awareness regarding the phishing attacks among the common masses. The users are unaware that their personal information is actively being targeted by criminals, and they do not take proper precautions when they conduct online activities. Second factor is unawareness of policy. The fraudsters often count on victims' unawareness of bank or financial institution policies and procedures for contacting customers, particularly for issues relating to account maintenance and fraud investigation. Customers unaware of the policies of an online transaction are likely to be more susceptible to the social engineering aspect of a phishing scam, regardless of technical sophistication. So apart from the general banking phishing schemes, some of the recent phishing attacks that have took place in India are as follows. First is the RBI phishing scam. In a daring phishing attack of its kind, the fraudsters have not even spared the RBI bank. The phishing email, disguised as originating from the RBI, promised its recipient prize money of Rs 10 lakhs within 48 hours by giving a link which leads the user to a website that resembles the official website of RBI with a similar logo and web address. The user is then asked to reveal his personal information like password, IPIN number and savings account number. However, the RBI posted a warning regarding the fraudulent phishing email on the bank's official website. The second attack that have been took place is the Google under phishing attack. So recently, the users of the Google email services Gmail perpetually received a legal notice from the Gmail team which wanted users to refurbish their account name, password, occupation, birth date and country of residence, with a warning that users who did not update their details within 7 days of recovering the warning would lose their account permanently. However, the spokesperson of the Google denied any such legal notice coming from them and stated it to be a phishing attack designed to collect personal information called spoofing or password phishing. So India is ranked at third place on the list of countries targeted by the phishers. Moreover, India is also among the top hosting countries for such cyber attacks, only second to the United States. Phishing being a cyber crime attacks, numerous penal provisions under the Information Technology Act of 2000, that is, amendment had also been taken place in 2008, and Indian Penal Code 1860. So the amendment in 2008 dealt with phishing in much more depth and provide greater clarity on this format of cybercrime. Also, these acts read along with the Indian Evidence Act 1872 and the Bankers Book Evidence Act 1891 throw some light on the menace of phishing. Following sections deals with phishing. So first of all, section 66 of the Information Technology Act of 2000, that is, if any person dishonestly or fraudulently use or does any act referred to in section 43, he shall be punishable with imprisonment for a term which may extend to 3 years or with fine which may extend to 5 lakh rupees or with both. Section 66B of the Information Technology Act of 2000, that states punishment for cheating by personalization by using computer resources. Whoever by means of any communication device or computer resource cheats by personation shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 3 years and shall also be liable to fine which may extend to 1 lakh rupees. Section 420 of the Indian Penal Code 1860 states cheating and dishonestly inducing the delivery of property. Whoever cheats and thereby dishonestly induces the person deceived to deliver any property to any person or to make, alter or destroy the whole or any part of a valuable security or anything which is signed or sealed and which is capable of being converted into a valuable security shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 7 years and shall also be liable to fine. The citizens also should be made aware of the electronic forms of crime. Though there have been many legislations and there have been many provisions which is made or which is developed by the government of India, but then too the citizens are required to stay alert. Since this is relatively a newer form of criminal activity and is much more sophisticated, most of the victims don't understand what is happening or what wrong has happened to them. As a result, they don't report such actions to the police. This can be changed by improving digital literacy. Newspaper agencies and TV channels should inform the people about such mischiefs and also provide ways to protect themselves. The internet users should also be careful while browsing online, use good quality internet antiviruses, visit only verified websites and not open spam emails. They must immediately report the police if they feel that they have been duped. So please, phishing is not just a crime, but it is a disastrous crime, and if anyone gets trapped in this crime, then the result is really devastating. So thank you so much for devoting your time and listening to my video. So if you really liked my video, then please like, share and comment. Thank you so much for subscribing Lexcliq, and if you haven't subscribed, then do it and press the bell icon for notifications regarding the upcoming videos. Thank you so much and have a nice day.